Ever imagined owning a store in every city across the globe without paying a dime for rent? As hard as it might be for you to believe it, this is no fantastical idea or far-off dream. It's entirely within the realm of your reach, and the key lies in the giant online marketplace known as Amazon. You may already know Amazon as the go-to destination for books, electronics, clothing, and more. But did you know that it also provides an incredible platform for entrepreneurs like yourself to expand their market reach? Consider the possibilities. Think about the expansive reach of Amazon. Picture your products being seen by people from all walks of life and from every corner of the globe. People from big cities like New York and London to small towns tucked away in the heart of Africa or nestled in the valleys of the Swiss Alps. The potential audience that you could tap into is mind-boggling. By uploading your products onto this colossal digital platform, you're not just displaying them on a shelf in your corner store. You're showcasing them to the world. You're giving yourself the potential to reach millions of eager shoppers every single day who have their wallets in hand, ready to make a purchase. In an era where e-commerce is booming, Amazon has remained a formidable force. It's not just about the sheer size of the Amazon marketplace either. It's the mindset of the shoppers who use it. When someone lands on Amazon, they're not just browsing. They're in shopping mode. This is a platform designed with the shopper's experience in mind. They are encouraged to explore, discover, and fill their carts with a variety of products. You don't have to persuade someone to shop on Amazon. They're already primed for it. Amazon isn't just a store, it's a shopping experience. The interface is designed to make shopping easy and enjoyable. With recommended products, customer reviews, and detailed product descriptions, shoppers have all the information they need at their fingertips. It's this level of user-friendliness that keeps customers coming back, time and time again. The beauty of selling on Amazon is not just about the reach, but also about the simplicity. You don't have to worry about the overhead costs that come with owning a physical store. No rent, no utilities, no maintenance. You're free from the shackles of brick-and-mortar establishments. You are free to focus on what truly matters, providing quality products and exceptional customer service. The site is designed to encourage customers to fill their carts with as much as they can. The more they find, and the more they end up buying. By listing your items on Amazon, you're not just selling products, you're selling an experience. You're part of a global marketplace that connects people and products in an innovative, convenient way. For small businesses and entrepreneurs, this is a game changer. It levels the playing field, giving you the chance to compete with large companies. It opens up a world of opportunities. With Amazon, the world is your market. This is why Amazon is not just a selling platform, a revolution that empowers you to take business into your own hands and reach a global audience. It's a testament to the power of the digital age. It's an example of how modern technology is shifting the way we do business. It's a reminder that in today's world, the possibilities are endless. So if you've ever thought about expanding your business, the time is now. The world is waiting for you, ready to experience what you have to offer. The question isn't whether you can do it. The question is, why aren't you doing it yet? It's a fact. When someone lands on Amazon, they're in shopping mode. The site is designed to encourage customers to fill their carts with as much as they can. However, Amazon comes with a catch. The customers are Amazon's, not yours. This isn't something that many people are aware of initially when they start with the platform. You see, Amazon has built an empire, a colossal marketplace that houses millions of products worldwide. As a seller, it seems like the perfect place to offer your goods, given the sheer volume of customers who frequent this platform. However, this gargantuan marketplace has its own rules, its own style of play that everyone must adhere to. One such rule, a subtle trap if you will, is the ownership of customer data. It is a fact that is not hidden, but often overlooked by budding entrepreneurs and even established businesses. When customers make a purchase on Amazon, the customers become part of the Amazon ecosystem, not yours. They become customers, and their information like their name, contact information, shipping address, and even their product preferences are retained by Amazon, not you. This rule may seem insignificant at first glance, but in the grand scheme of online retail, it's a rule of much importance. In the world of e-commerce, data is king. Every successful online retailer knows the power that customer information holds. This data can be used to understand customer preferences, buying habits, and more, which can further be used to tailor your marketing and sales strategies. Without this data, you're blind, making decisions based on assumptions rather than concrete customer behavior. However, when you sell on Amazon, all this data, all this power is stripped away from you. You don't have access to the email addresses of your customers, nor their contact numbers. You don't know their geographical locations, their purchasing patterns, or their preferences. All of this valuable consumer insight by Amazon, giving it an unprecedented edge in controlling the market dynamics. Amazon holds all the cards, and you as a seller are left to play with the hand you're dealt. Thus, you can't send them discounts or offer them more products. All the usual marketing tactics that you would normally employ to spur repeat purchases and build customer loyalty, such as sending personalized emails, offering discount codes, or upselling and cross-selling products, are not available to you. You are essentially cut off from your customers once the transaction is complete, unable to forge an ongoing relationship that is crucial for business growth. In the traditional marketplace, after a customer makes you would have their contact information and could engage with them, follow up with them, ask for reviews, and offer them more products or services. But in the Amazon ecosystem, this direct line of communication doesn't exist. This can be frustrating for sellers who want to build a self-sustaining business with a loyal customer base, but there's a solution for this. Running your own e-commerce site is easier than ever. In the rapidly emerging and ever-evolving digital landscape, the prospect of creating and managing your own online retail space has become an increasingly viable and attractive option. Long gone are the days when you needed to be an expert in computer programming, proficient in complex coding languages, or possess an in-depth understanding of server management to operate an e-commerce site. Now, all you require is a basic understanding of the digital realms and a passion for your business. There are a plethora of suitable platforms available to aid you in this endeavor. WordPress, for instance, is a versatile and user-friendly content management system that supports e-commerce functionality. It has an easily navigable interface, myriad of customizable themes, and a wide range of powerful plugins designed specifically for e-commerce, such as WooCommerce. This platform provides a host of tools and services that make the process of setting up an e-commerce site a breeze. Hotmart, on the other hand, is another excellent platform that offers a streamlined interface for selling digital products. With its easy-to-use features and comprehensive resources, Hotmart makes it incredibly straightforward to host, manage, and sell online courses, ebooks, and other digital resources. The prerequisites for running a successful e-commerce site are minimal. All you need is a collection of quality products or services that cater to a specific target audience. It's all about identifying a niche market and offering products that meet their unique needs and preferences. Moreover, one of the most compelling of owning your own e-commerce site is complete ownership of your customer base. Unlike other major digital marketplaces where you are just one of the many sellers, your e-commerce site provides you with direct access to your customers. They are yours, and not someone else's. This direct relationship with your customers allows you to understand their needs better, tailor your offerings accordingly, and build long-lasting, loyal relationships. Another significant advantage is the ability to design and style your website according to your unique brand identity. This freedom allows you to create a distinctive online presence that stands apart from the crowd. You can choose color schemes, fonts, layouts, and overall aesthetics that resonate with your brand, providing a consistent and immersive experience for your customers. In stark contrast, selling on major e-commerce platforms like Amazon restricts your ability to truly differentiate yourself. Your product page looks the same as the millions of other product pages on the platform. Aside from the product itself and perhaps a few minor details in the product description, there's little room for individuality and creativity. Your product is left competing on the same platform with the same look and feel as countless others. But with your own e-commerce site, this isn't a problem. You have the freedom to shape the user experience, the brand look, and the overall shopping journey. You can introduce elements of personalization, enhance the user interface, and provide a unique shopping experience that can help in retaining customers and fostering brand loyalty. This isn't a problem with your own e-commerce site. However, not everything is rosy. It's important to remind ourselves that the digital landscape isn't always as perfect as it seems. In this realm, a site owner, particularly someone trying to build an e-commerce presence, faces an uphill battle. The owner is responsible for the task of driving traffic to their site. That's more than just a chore. It's a Herculean task that tests their mettle, patience, and skills. The digital universe is multifaceted and complex, teeming with millions of websites, each vying for the attention of the global audience. Each website is a star in this expansive galaxy, shining brightly, hoping to capture the wandering gaze of potential customers. As a website owner, you're thrown into this universe left to fend for yourself. It's a daunting task, especially when you're standing alone against behemoths like Amazon that boast millions of daily users. Amazon, the gargantuan e-commerce site, has a staggering number of users, which automatically provides its sellers with a ready audience, a luxury not afforded to independent e-commerce site owners. At this point, the struggle for survival translates to the struggle for visibility. After all, the higher the visibility, the higher the traffic. But there's a catch. The key to increasing visibility lies in the labyrinth of search engine optimization, popularly known as SEO. SEO is a crucial aspect of digital marketing, a facet that's as significant as it is complex. Think of SEO as the compass that guides the users or potential customers to your website. It involves several practices aimed at improving the website's visibility to search engines. This includes keyword research, creating high-quality content, link building, and optimizing the website's technical aspects. The better your SEO, the higher your website will rank on search engine result pages, leading to more traffic. Yet, as an independent business owner, your SEO might be lower. It isn't because you're not trying hard enough, but because you're competing against larger companies with more resources. These corporations have dedicated teams working on improving their SEO, something which is not necessarily feasible for smaller businesses. So, in terms of SEO, you might find yourself at a disadvantage. The all-important task of attracting internet users to your website becomes a battle of resources, where bigger and more established sites with a larger budget and workforce always have the upper hand. With all these challenges, running an independent e-commerce site might seem daunting, even discouraging. But remember, every business faces challenges. It's not about the size of the challenge, but how you overcome it. It's about perseverance, creativity, and adaptability, about finding unique ways to make your site stand out and attract users. In the end, not every journey is a measured stride on a sunny day. Sometimes it's a rugged climb, a relentless pursuit under a stormy sky. But the view from the top, the success tasted after overcoming all hurdles, that's what makes it worth it. However, the fact remains that you're responsible for driving traffic to your site. You don't have access to the millions of users that Amazon provides, and your SEO, search engine optimization, is lower. I'm merely presenting the available options. The choice of which one suits your needs best is entirely up to you. As you ponder over this life-altering decision, I want you to understand that every business model comes with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. What works for one person might not work for another. It all depends on the kind of product you're selling, the audience you're targeting, and the resources at your disposal. Let's delve further into our first alternative, Amazon. Amazon isn't just an e-commerce giant. It's a marketplace that draws millions of visitors each day, making it a potential goldmine for sellers. Imagine your product in front of all these potential customers. It's a tantalizing prospect. When you choose to sell on Amazon, you're leveraging the site's unparalleled reach to present your products to consumers around the world. However, this incredible reach does come at a price. When you sell through Amazon, you're essentially renting a space on their platform. You don't own the customer data, Amazon does. This restricts your ability to build a customer database, which is a vital asset for any business. You can't directly engage with your customers, can't send them promotional emails or updates about new products. In essence, you lose the ability to foster customer relationships and loyalty, which are key components in ensuring the long-term success of any business. So you see, Amazon is a double-edged sword. On one side, you have a vast global marketplace that can put your products in front of millions of potential customers. On the other side, you're sacrificing control over customer data, which can limit your ability to build a loyal customer base. Now let's consider the second alternative, having your own e-commerce site. This option comes with a sense of ownership and control. Your website, your rules. You have full control over the customer data. This means you can directly communicate with your customers, send them newsletters, inform them about new products or deals, and cultivate a sense of community. Moreover, having your own e-commerce website allows for more creative freedom. You have the liberty to design your website according to your brand's aesthetic. further strengthening your brand identity. You can create a unique shopping experience for your customers, which can help differentiate your brand from the competition. However, owning an e-commerce site comes with its own set of challenges. The biggest one is driving traffic to your site. With millions of e-commerce sites out there, standing out and attracting customers can be a daunting task. It requires a well-thought-out marketing strategy, a good understanding of SEO, and a significant investment of time and resources. Furthermore, having your own site might not provide as much SEO advantage as Amazon. Amazon's website is a high-authority site that ranks well in search engine results, often landing on the first page for many product searches. Your website against this giant might not stand a chance, making it harder for potential customers to find your products. The choice between Amazon and your own e-commerce site isn't black and white. It's a spectrum. It's about finding a balance between reach and control, between convenience and creativity. It's about understanding your business, your customers, and your resources, and making a decision based on that understanding. To summarize, both Amazon and having your own e-commerce site come with their own sets of pros and cons. With Amazon, you get access to a vast global marketplace, but lose control over customer information. On the other hand, having your own e-commerce site gives you full control over customer data and allows for more creativity, but requires more effort in driving traffic and has less SEO. While the decision ultimately rests with you, understanding these nuances can help you make a more informed choice.